I'm Anissa, and I play the voice of Piper from Piper's Ponytails, and this is Cherry Berry. Today I will be showing you how to mount a horse, the different gaits of a horse, and how to jump. Here we go! This is a mounting block. It helps me to get on the horse easier. First, before you get on, you're going to want to make sure to check your girth. Nice and tight. Here I go. I put the reins over the head, make sure I'm holding the reins, step up on the mounting block, put my foot in the stirrup, and swing over. There are 4 basic gaits of a horse: walk, trot, canter, and gallop. Today I will be showing you walk, trot, and canter. When we're talking about walk, trot, and canter in human terms, a walk is just a walk, a trot is like a jog, and a canter is like a run, and a gallop is like you or me sprinting. But we won't do that today. To get Cherry to walk, I squeeze her lightly with my legs, or sometimes I have to say walk on. Once I'm walking, to get her to trot, I lightly tap or kick my legs behind the girth or make a clucking noise like this. Once I'm in a trot, to ask her for the canter, I use my outside leg. The outside leg is the closest leg to the rail. I slide my outside leg back behind the girth and I squeeze her. To get off, I take my foot out of the stirrup, I swing over my belly to the saddle, take my foot through the other stirrup, and hop off. Make sure to draw your stirrups after too. Thanks for watching. For more fun videos and tips on horses, don't forget to like and subscribe to Piper's Ponytails on YouTube.